What the fuck police are lock me up? Police? You tell me, bitch. Do I have anything with police? Police can't come at somebody else and lock out you. I live downstairs from the police station. I live downstairs. I told you already. The police is watching me every day. Stam, don't, you're not my mom, please. You're not my mom, please. Stam, I am not stopping. Don't tell me if you come off of the, don't tell me if you don't come on my own life. Stam, you're fucking bright. Who the fuck are you? Me look like 10-year-old. Who the fuck that shot? Stam, don't tell me if you stop. Stam, who dare you? Stam, you can't do that. Who the fuck are you, Stam? Who the fuck are you, girl? You can't tell me if you stop. Stop what? What am I doing, Stam? Tell me, what am I doing? What am I doing, Stam? When I say I can't read, but I understand where you're fucking right. What am I doing? Eh? I'm reading where you're just right now. Stam, for your information, yeah. Listen to me, yeah, babe. Listen for your information. It's my life, it's my phone. No bitch tell me what to do, okay? I'm not doing nothing when I'm supposed to do. So don't tell me what to do. Nothing but the police can tell me if I come off from alive. Who the fuck are you? Nobody can tell me to come off from alive. Okay, bitch? So I'm not even look for you now. Come soon block you, you know. Come I know why you over here, Storm. Storm, I soon block you, you know. And that me I tell you. I soon block you. Fucking phone. Your page. Do that. Don't think you can press my button. Nobody press my fucking button, okay? No fucking body does that, okay? Don't do that, bruv. Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you, Storm? Are you my fucking mom? Good wall, Karen. Good wall. Good wall. Good wall. Good wall. Good wall. Car. I know you don't like them bagger your car. My clean nice man that talk about you. Me and I that talk about you yesterday. Actually, I call her on the phone. You hear her voice. I call her. You hear her voice, sis. She was talking about you yesterday, mate. I call her on the phone, yeah. The fuck Storm tell me for done. Me a show me no blood clot body. She and her brother start it out. You see me call nobody blood clot name pan alive. Eh? See me a bust nobody. Me a bust big hog. My bust slim hog. Yeah, good wall. The fuck do you? Who the fuck do you? Who the fuck do you? The fuck you tell me for you see me a show me no blood clot body? Me not show me nobody. Me a my own lane. On the two enough. Karen, see me, go to see me a call her there. Listen one probably not gonna answer. Hello? What's up?
Hello?
What's up?
What's up? You want to talk to the video call
Am I want to call on video call? I don't want to see them people that someone. Sorry, please. I don't know what kind of. I don't know what kind of from nowhere. If Chantel the panic me wants to see Chantel.
She's a bitch like you.
What?
We sent 3 bottles back here.
me don't want to hear nothing about Chantel. I don't want to hear nothing about Chantel.
No, you want to talk to her.
Cause she's a bitch. She for stay like a bitch.
Right.
So me don't want to hear nothing about Chantel, okay?
I'm going to let go.
Our man left her.
Yeah.
Him supposed to left her.
I'm pregnant for a man.
Our friend take our man. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that what mom told you?
So me I tell you, come in the world, go to your
Mother tell Karen say yes I still.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's nice. So I'm say,
Yeah, I'm tell her so I'm talk to you upon
yes, right. Should I say so you don't stop in the all the talk to you?
hypocrite. Karen say you're hypocrite.
Nobody said that. If I just home.
Yeah. You hear what she say? She say for stay there alien. Which part of me got arrested? Me in my nice clean blood clot bed. What police I go? Yeah, bitch. I live right next door to the police station. And so what? I live right next door to Stoke Newton police station. If you know what Stoke Newton police station there, let them know me. So you go there go ask for my name and you get my address. Ask the governor for my address and my name. You got my name. So you go there. Go to Storm, you know me gonna block you. Big old girl, me gonna block you. Big old Storm, I am going to block you now. You're the weakest link. Get the fuck off of here. I'm gonna hide you from my life. Actually, you can stare it because you're a big puppy dog. Me make dog bark. Roof, 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 roof. You're a big puppy dog. You come over here, go to Stoke Newton police station. I live right outside Stoke Newton police station. I just show you where I lived the other day, right outside police station. So you go outside the Stoke Newton police station, you go there, ask them, Sean the plumber, I gave you my fucking name, and you got my name. Go there, and they will give you, the governor will give you my address, and the governor will give you everything. You fucking go there, girl. Go there, girl. Go there, I live downstairs from Stoke Newton police station. So you fucking go. Stop. Yes, Tom. You go there. You go there. Big pussy girl if you want. Me have to tell you which part I live. Right next to the police station. Stoke Newton police station. Ask anybody. Just Google Stoke Newton police station. And ask them. And you have my name. Me have your name. You have me have your bare father name. Everything goes. I say go and have everything for you in it. Anything or anything goes. Say it go. Say it go in it. You are. Yeah. You have for me. My up for you, 3 by 3. Your mother-in-law bring you down. Oh, bad. So fucking bad. Woo! My mother-in-law could bring me on. Come down to mother-in-law. So my mother-in-law could, yeah, supposed to eat me. Him supposed love him. Come give me a beautiful baby. He gave me a beautiful baby. Well, look like me, and it wasn't a blood clot jacket. It said 9. Go and suck your mother, your egg-faced mother in Jamaica. Go suck out your mother. We get the port for the blood clot shit in our pussy. Your mother get the port for the hole. When them hole with the shit in our hole and it stink up our hole. Go away. You can't chat me. You can't tell me nothing about someone. Someone as good as a yard and good as a blood clot, brad. Go and suck your mother. Someone's supposed to have a blood clot grandson. That she shouldn't have no blood clot criminal record. And a me blood clot. Go away. And my son supposed to be there with him father. Go away. Because I feel one. If me don't want it, him supposed to take it. Go away. Go around the saw. You can't tell me nothing for hurt me. Come suck up my pussy. Go away, you big aggy. You big fucking ag. Go around the saw. You can't tell me nothing about blood clot, someone. Go around there, sir. Someone's supposed to take her blood clot grandson. Because I fear she fuck and get me from my father. And she's supposed to look after him. It's our first blood clot grandson. Go around there, sir, dirty girl. You're ugly in a blood clot. You're hard to fix. How about go and sort out your baby father fucking... Go and sort out your baby father visa. Your baby father is hungry for a visa. And that's how the update me here. Go away. Your baby father hungry. Him own mother-in-law let out him secret. Go away. You can't chat to me. You can't. Kareem father supposed to blood clot take him because him want him. That's why I'm going forward for him. If he never blood clot want him would go forward for take him. You don't make no sense. You're a fucking nonsense. Go around there, sir. Come suck up my pussy. You can't make me bring down Kareem father. Come suck up my pussy. Cause to the end of the day, a Kareem blood clot father. Come suck up my pussy. Come suck up my pussy and bring Boris Johnson to come take the visa. Just like how you said nobody can deport you. Me, nobody can deport me to cause England fit me for fuck all them and them. Ow. Meow. Meow. Bark like a rat. You're a rat. Go around there, sir. I say England fit me for fuck all of them and them. Yeah. You dirty girl. Go around there so you're ugly in a blood clot. Someone's supposed to take our blood clot grandson. Cause my big son pretty in a blood. My little son cute in a blood clot. Hey, fuck do you. My son pretty in a blood clot and my big son a 13-year-old. Go away! You can't tell me nothing for hurt me. Move your dirty blood clot. You can't get me for arguing nobody. And you me a blood clot argue with. Go away. Call anybody where you call. Call Stoke Newton police station. I live right outside Stoke Newton police station. She call the governor. I make the governor call every day. Get me a call police. Police. Go away. The fuck do you? The fuck do you, animal? Every minute you have to tell me about someone here. Someone's supposed to eat me. But is it my blood clot fault them deport your mother? Not my fault. Is it my fault your brother is bringing you down? It's not my fault, lady. Is it my fault your fucking mother-in-law bringing you down, lady? Not my fault. And Storm Boasie, please don't tell me don't turn on my life, my lady. Because I'm not calling you. I'm not fucking with you. I'm not calling your name. So leave me, make me talk out of my blood clot mouth. You can't sit on the live like a big puppy that go up. I hold this over here. I owe this a give boss lady big up. I owe him boss lady. Nobody come big up nobody over here now, cause this is not a promotion. This is just a warm up patient. Go away. The big fat hag. The fuck do you, big fat hag? You tell me about someone. Kareem look like him blood clot father. If Kareem father ate me oh so well. Is Kareem father is my first baby? Is Kareem father is my baby father is the first one? Oh well. You fucking asshole. Kareem father ate me but the DNA never said ate me though. Come suck up my pussy. Kareem father ate me but the DNA never said ate me though. The DNA said 9999999 like you're calling 999 for your old for come your old a stink up. Go away, go on the floor. Go around there say you fucking asshole. You can't tell me nothing about my mother. You can't tell me nothing about my mother. You can't tell me nothing about Simone. You cannot tell me nothing about Simone. Humble some pussy girl. You said sweet me on my record, yo. You said sweet me on my record and send it to your blood clot enemy. Nothing of sweet me so. Not no blood clash, see me some record, yo. Yeah. Yes. Yes. 6 bars. Company life. The big auntie. Yeah. Big hag over here. You tell me about some blood clot yet because when someone a wind up on suki cocky, someone present when someone a looking pussy with them put your mother with a big blood thing in her big stinking pussy. Go away. I live right outside Stoke Newton police station. You have my name? You got my name? Station lock me up, so ask them about me. Come here, refugee. You twastic. You tell me say you have my address for. The fuck you tell me say you have my address for? What the fuck you tell me say you have my address for? Big hag? You big every time you walk on trouble people, you're not supposed to manage me. Cannot even my own blood clot man that can't manage me. What you say? Not even my own mother can't manage me. So where your blood clot say dirty woman over South London? We have the ugliest pitney. Go away. Can't chat to me. You stink like you go bring it on 7 days in the week. Go away. My baby father supposed to blood clot eat me. But the DNA never said eat me though. The DNA said 9999999 like when a dead body a come. Come suck up my pussy. Pilot Campbell, pilot devil, pilot evil, pilot flipper. Why are you doing on this? This is not a promotion. This is just a bring down for you, bring down and done. Pilot Evan, come off from my life. Come here, go this up your blood clot. Come off from my life. But like no. I can't call police pan you. What do you mean I can't call police? I can't call police. Pilot Evan, yeah. I see your face now, your face has style for my phone screen. Get the fuck off of here. Get the fuck off of here. Why you over here, summer too? Why you over here? Nothing over here keeping. Nothing is over here keeping. Why you over here? Why you over here, Pilot Evan? Or Pilot Devon? Or Pilot Piggin? Or Pilot Shit? Why you over here? Why you over here? Summer me, or summer weather, or summer deer, or summer pear, or summer ear? Why you over here? Nothing keeping. Nothing keeping. What's keeping? Your big friend, your big fat axe, yeah? I was arrested, yeah? And I don't know what your big fat ag friend saying over there. Your big fat ag friend I say I was arrested. What arrested I go? You think police stupid? Someone come off from my live, man. You interrupt me. Come off from my live. Come off from my live, man. What the fuck do you? Come off of the live, man. What the fuck that tell me for stop for? Come off of my live, man. I don't know, no. Come off of my bomber clock live, man. What is over here? Over here? What's keeping? More than somebody I just get buried. What is keeping? What is keeping over here? Somebody just get buried. What is keeping? Come out from my life, man. What the fuck you tell me about baby father ate me? Baby father for supposed to blood clot ate me. Cause the DNA said 999999999. And my son look like him blood clot father. It wasn't no blood clot jacket. Come suck up my pussy. Where jacket go? My son was cut to fit. All of my pitney them cut to fit. The fuck you know about me, big old girl? Where your brother bring down? Your brother bring you down like hag. Every day you cry, your brother lipper. Go away. Send that to the popo. Go away. Big old girl. You're all big. You talk about my old big. My old can't big. Dirty girl, my old can't big. I'm going to call my man and make you hear this. Make you hear him say, my old can't big. I call my baby father and make you hear. My own can't big, darling. You're talking about yourself. I call my baby father and make you hear. So not really me you talk to big old girl. Big old girl over South London and me you talk to. My old can't big and I'm going to call my baby father and make you hear. I call him from Jamaica. Hello? My baby father, are you listening? Show some old big.
No?
I show some old stink. I can't hear. I don't know none of uno. I don't know none of uno. I'm not looking at none of uno. I don't want to know none of uno. And uno for just come out from live. All I know is Miss Wang and Karen. I don't know none of uno upon this, y'all. Come, I don't want to know none of uno. Uno a devil. Come out from live. Don't want to know none of uno. You have to wait till you fuck the you. You fuck the you. Come out from a page, man. You fuck the you. My all supposed to big. My all supposed to big. Yeah? My all supposed to big. Yeah? My all supposed to big. I all the current me know upon this and Miss Wang if Miss Wang gone. Yeah? I don't know now no. You talk about my all big. My all supposed to big. You talk about my all stink. My all supposed to stink. I him for tell me say it stink, love. And I him for tell me say, you can't tell me say my all big. You dirty piece of dog shit. You're a dog shit. You can't tell me nothing to hurt me. Yes, Ashanti, let's roll in. I don't know why I'm going to use that fucking iPhone. I'm sure I use a Samsung. Wait, hold on, baby. I don't need for do that. You girl. I don't need for girl. Girl, I don't need for do that, girl. Girl, I don't need for do that. Me and a press button. Me and a cartoon character. Star
I
Boss, I don't need for
want
car. I don't
how
need for
far
do nothing where
running.
you tell me for do
Oh,
for me a
bit.
cartoon character. Dirty Star Boss. Huh?
Oh, bit. I mean what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Only two person on the live, you know.
No, it's not that, babe. It's not that. It's not that. The big old man. Yeah? I think I look old up on the live. That's what I'm saying, baby girl.
So who are you? Come and get it. Who are the person? Me come and get it. So we are. I try that.
You got big sister. You got big sister. The same girl will say, the man say I have infection, I'm a pussy stink. Yeah, she make that too.
Okay,
She live
okay.
for me like cockroach.
So
Yeah,
you
she
and
live for me
Tanya
like
still have watch it? Wow, you know
yeah,
you
she live
and
on me
Tanya. I
like
think it's
cockroach.
that.
She live on me like cockroach. It's big, cause she fuck it
We
out.
think could
Pussy
have done with
big.
that.
But me and
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Who still a hold on our brother though?
this big face blood clot girl. Yeah, she will be a brother. She a brother.
No, I'm not. I'm say hold on. Push on the brother still there.
Same thing. She want fuck her own brother.
But we see the service thing glad. Mad head sick no good.
You
Oh,
can't
come
hear
in.
me?
Yeah, mama, yeah,
Huh?
now. You're the gone before.
Oh, the internet. Then I report the page.
I'm a report your page. Right.
Yeah, they,
Mm. All right. Man, make shop then. Go thing Ukku yourself, my friend. Yeah. Be there for
I'm
this.
here. I thought you come off the phone. The phone.
All right,
Press
Ukku,
the
man,
X.
come on.
Press the
All
X.
right.
Yeah. Press the X. I don't know why you over here, Boasie. I'm gonna leave you over here like a big puppet. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna leave you over here like a big rolling puppet. You lot are rolling puppet. Everyone we're gonna roll in. You lot don't know nothing about me. You can fucking record. Record. Cause record. Listen, bitch. My mom got a red book. All my family got their red book, bitch. Get the fuck out of here and calling me. My 2 baby fathers are British, okay? So I don't know about the next one. I don't know nothing about the next one, okay? But hear what I'm saying, bitch. Boasie, y'all get on my nerves now, please. Y'all get on my nerves. Come out from my life now. Y'all get on my nerves. I'm gonna ignore you. Y'all get on my nerves. Y'all get on my nerves now. I don't like when people are in. Y'all get on my nerves. I don't like when people are running for me. Please, don't run in for me. Y'all get on my nerves now. Worse, me have the nerves. Y'all get on my nerves, please. Please and thank you. Stop type. Because I can't see what you're typing. I'm blind to it. I'm dumb to it. So please and thank you. I don't know none of you lot from none. Record it. Make Boris Johnson come on my house and take anything out of my house. Make the governor come on my house and lock me up become the pan the live. Make the governor come on my yard. Send the police them to come lock me up become the pan the live. Make the police come lock me up become the pan the live. Yeah, send them around here. Send them on my house. I live at ask the Stoke Newton police station. I give my name Ashana. To ask them for my blood clot address and them give you my blood clot address. Post the wall. My friend a blood clot police can come and offer y'all and knock off a door and take all out of them blood clot bed. You crazy? You think this is a savage? Go suck your mother. Don't tell me nothing about Simone. You can't tell me nothing about Simone. Not at all. Because Simone don't even talk to people. First of all, Simone hypocrite in a blood clot in the ear. She just like me. Yeah? You can't tell me nothing for hurt me. And you can't tell me nothing about no fucking baby father hates me. That's all the matter. The DNA said 99999. It never said off 9. It said full blood clot 9. Come suck out my pussy. Boss, big pussy. Where big pussy I go. You never hear my name. Ukku. You big fat If your baby father ever see me now, your baby father look me. The way my shape good now, blood clot and shot. Come suck out my pussy. Y'all threatening me, but y'all talk about anyway you see me. It's summer. Anyway you see me. I approach me, I just gonna take the liquor and know after. I lock up your blood clot and get some money. I saw the badness go. And I don't report it. So anything come out of anything, and the police them get themselves in that trouble, not me. I just know say I get some money out of the case. Fuck y'all tell me. Every minute y'all tell me say when you see me you gotta do this, you gotta do that. What the fuck y'all tell me say summer for? What the fuck y'all tell me that for? What the fuck y'all tell me say you know my whereabout for? My whereabout is Stoke Newton. Go to Stoke Newton and you see me at Stoke Newton. That is my whereabout. Everybody know me. Me the most wanted girl in the Hackney. Ask anybody in the Hackney. Everybody know me. Ask the same baby before they will lock me up. Bitch, ask him for my address. Call him and ask him for my address. No, because me not argue with him. Me not go come on here and him because he hasn't done nothing to me. Because I'm not gonna cuss him. I'm not gonna entertain him. Him supposed to cuss me. I mean, hold it like a big blood clot G. I'm not cuss my baby father for you. You crazy? You big ag. You big police peggy. Go suck out yourself, you big ag. And come off my fucking page. On the phone and bust out every blood clot thing. I wonder if police are gonna come on my yard because I'm on the internet and I caught this. I wonder if the police are gonna come on my yard and you're on it. That show you say you're fucking crazy. Why would you be on my live? The police gonna tell you get the fuck off our live. I'm not watching you. I'm not on none of your page. You're dead to me. But I want them to know because I'm saying RACH. L-I-N-E. Them are gonna come on my house. I want them to know if they're gonna come on my house because of that. Yeah? Send them on my yard. I don't like none of I like some of upon this. I want somebody know my upon this. Want somebody upon this. I'm not gonna call her name. I don't know none upon this. I don't know no. Nah, police peggy. Get the fuck off of here. This is not a Christmas decoration. Cause no can set me up. I want the police to come to my house and take my phone and lock me up for 10 years. I'll give me 9 years. 9 years for this. I want the police to come tell me. I want police to tell me as a 30-year-old woman for come off of IG, off of internet. I wish police can tell me that. If the judge not tell me that cannot happen. Suck your mother. A judge is bigger than a blood clot police. Go and suck out your mother. You know a lot in it. Go suck out your alt face mother will get deported to Jamaica. You can't make me cuss my baby father because my son look having big brother mouth and big brother eye. You can't I don't like him. I mean him on a friend, but you can't make me go up on no more internet. You're fucking bright. But my baby. But my pussy big. My pussy supposed to big. Cause you're gonna need it. We're gonna help you. But how she gonna get her job to be a nurse? To be a nurse to give the people the medication for kill off the people them? Eh? Nurse to give off the people them the patient medication for kill off the people them? That more I know. If you're gonna be a nurse to kill off the people them. That more I know. That more I know. Stand Boasie, what is over here, lady? There's no CC camera over here. There's no evidence. Pretty wagwan. Wagwan sis. The fucking bride. Yes. Laugh out. Laugh out, roll. Laugh out, girl. All whoever under the page. Laugh out. Kick out your foot cause you know man mascot. Ball it up no man and make me sick. No man never pissing on your gut. Yeah. In them mouth. Ball game. In them mouth. The police are gonna come. Take my phone. Take my phone. Them take it again and them are gonna take it again. Row. Them are gonna take my phone and they can put me up my liver. Put my liver, my liver right outside, at a police station. Yeah, my live outside of one police. Your daughter here and she's not even 1 year. She's not even 1 yet. I don't believe if she's 1 yet. I don't even give a fuck if she 1 or not. That's all she is, isn't it? I don't care. She's very young and all she fucking here is bumper clot. 7 in the blood clot way. It's making the little girl mad. You're not teaching her nothing good in the house. Go read a blood clot book to the little girl. You talk about people can't spell them ABC. I don't want to know if I say ABC. But just want to know. But just want to know what I see my name on the paper. I don't eat it. I don't eat it like a bulla. You can't program me, big pussy girl. The fuck you tell me? Go tell your fucking ugly daughter. The fuck you? What the fuck wrong with you? Your daughter is fucking ugly. You can't fucking class me. You're fucking crazy. You're fucking crazy, girl. You're fucking... What the fuck wrong with you? You don't know me from nowhere, blood. What the fuck wrong with you? Tell them to come take the visa with them give me. That them for do. And take the phone, take the visa and just put me up on the plane. That them for do. Tell them to come take the visa. I'm show you something. How you turn this blood clot camera? How you turn this now? Hold on 1 minute. Oh shit. Girl. Oh shit. 1 minute. I'm show you something. Oh girl. Look. Look how my son. Wait, let me show you something, bitch. Bitch. My son is doing very fucking fine. Look how my son look like him. Look him big brother. Look at him. You can't make me cuss nobody. You can't make me cuss my blood clad son father. You son father, you cannot make me cuss him. Yeah? You cannot make him for have him and him want to have him. So you cannot make me cuss him. Him supposed to have him. That should say he's a good fucking father. You cannot make me have him and a stranger have him. I'm own blood clot have him. Him want him, so him blood clot take him. Yeah? You cannot make me cuss nobody. Yeah? You cannot make me cuss my fucking son father. Cause my son and my big son look alike. Come suck up my pussy. Let me I tell you. Come suck up my pussy. You can't make me cuss my son father. I found a blood clot jacket. You crazy? You fucking crazy? You fucking crazy? I'm a fucking I'm a mother love your blood clot grandson. You fucking crazy? You fucking crazy girl. Go suck your mother blood. The fuck do you? I'm a mother love our grandson. If our grandson are ugly. The fuck wrong with you? What the fuck wrong with you? My mother love our last grandson. You fuck wrong with you? Go suck out your mother, yeah, girl. I'm a mother love our grand blood clot son. Our grandson call her Nanny. The fuck do you? The fuck do you? You can't make me cuss nobody. Who nobody I fuck is none of their business because I'm fucking too. I don't like the father, but you can't make me cuss him. And that's the end of the story. You know, look no stripe off of me. This is not a savage. The fuck do you? Tell me about baby father who hates me. Eh? Queen Gaza, wagwan. The fuck you tell me about baby father hates me. Him hate me, but the pitney look like him though. Him hate me, but the pitney look like him, but you tell me about how 20 man come a court for DNA. Yeah, them 20 man, they come suck up my pussy. At least 20 man come a DNA, come a court for take DNA. I never hear this in my life. 20 man come a court for take DNA. And 20 man social service take DNA. So much money social service would have for 20 man. You're a psychopath. You're a psychopath. You are a psychopath. I don't know how people listen to you. You chat shit. You chat shit. And I don't know how people listen to you because people like Unu, the medication take over your brain. Eh? You have to take the medication once you wake up or once you go to your bed. For keep your brain, your brain is like a newborn baby, vulnerable. You're a vulnerable arsehole, 40-year-old arsehole woman. You're vulnerable. You're a vulnerable arsehole. You're big and vulnerable. Your brain is slow. You're a slow learner, and then you're calling other people slow. You're talking to yourself, baby girl. You are talking to yourself. You're a slow motherfucker. You can't study me. Yeah? You can't study me. So you can't tell me nothing for hurt me. The greatest thing, my son at 13, and my mother take him because I get myself in a trouble when I was younger. Me and my baby father. So my mother take him. With them tell me she never have no blood. I never have no blood clots to a monkey girl. So come suck up my pussy. You can't tell me nothing for blood clot hurt me. No, my mother have a red book and a blood clot. Yes, so anything. And my mother kids them have them red blood clot book and me have my purple book. So what are you saying? What are you saying? Eh? What are you saying? You know, so I'm gonna diss you up now. Big ag face woman, Boasie. Boasie, I'm gonna diss up your blood clot. Boasie, I am going to diss you the blood clot up. I'm gonna diss up your. I don't know. She not following me, Gaza. Send her over here, Gaza. Send it over here. I don't know. I'm gonna diss you up. I'm gonna diss you up, Boasie. Boasie, where don't have nothing. Boasie, we suck cocky like dog. You Boasie, record it. Boasie, you suck cocky like dog. Come off from a blood clot like me not black okay. You use a meow, pigeon. The one not pigeon. Suki, you, Summer. You, she, Summer. And you come now, Boasie. Me not black okay. You use a meow. When I turn on my live, the pitch fly, you reply. Oh, you're not getting no evidence. You not get no. What forget? Your finger them just hurt you. Cause this is not a savage. This is not a savage. Huh? It's not a savage. Boasie, go suck out yourself. Go and suck yourself. I suck my mother and get milk. I suck my mother and get milk. When you suck your mother and get corruption, Boasie no fuck off, yeah. I can come back every day and all if I shit me out make a class, you know. Come suck up my pussy. My big pussy as what you say it big. Fucking bright. But my pussy big. Fucking bright. Must see what you say, I like call up. I'm not even entertain you, Boasie, because you're dead to me. Boasie, meow. You're a meow. Two, come off from my life. Come off from my life. Pig shit, come off from my life. Dark shit, come off from my life. Boasie, come off from my life. Come off my life. Come off my life. You piss up yourself at night. Come off my life. Okay. You piss up yourself. I mean, I go over Janet Bailey. Janet over there, keep myself she over there on my page. I have a heap of fake page. On to you. Yeah, me I go over Janet. I hope Janet bring her down. I hope you go bring her down. I hope you go bring the fucker down. Bring her down, you go bring her down. Bring her down, you go bring her down. Because she want to fuck you in your big pussy. You know her big pussy. She want to fuck you. And you make she suck off your old you go. Bring her down. She ugly, muggly, and ugly. She not ugly pitney them. You can't call my pitney them ugly. Because none of my pitney them not ugly. And you can't class me. Because none of my baby father them can get too bright with me. Not even them. None of my baby father them can get too bright to me. That's why none of them like me. So you can't. The last one, afraid of me no blood clot. So I'm not even gonna argue with them. I'm not even gonna bring up really and truly. I'm not gonna fuck with somebody who don't fuck with me. Through the last one not fucking with me now, I am not gonna fuck with him. Yeah? If you fuck with me now, that's a different thing. Yeah? So I'm not gonna make you, what you was say last year, come think that it's gonna hurt me. Me and the last one left from 2014. Cause I'm me running. What the fuck do you? We in 21 now. Going 22, baby. And I don't look back. What the fuck wrong with you? 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 Eh? I picked them ugly. That must say. I picked them ugly, muggly, and zugly. Record it. I picked them ugly, muggly, and zugly. Record it. Record it. Me say, her picked them ugly, muggly, zugly, and shit up. That my blood clot say. Una like it come out from my blood clot live. Her picked them ugly, muggly, and zugly. More one police come lock me up because I say that. What the fuck wrong with you? When she call my phone and not chat to me. Nobody not tell me no. When she call my phone and a blood clot chat to me. And I say, when she see me what she gonna do to me, you think me not record her voice? Say anybody come up to me or even approach me and said, whatever I fear do them a blood clot lock her. I she them a lock up for. Come I tell them so she's a wicked look a blood clot insect. So anybody come up to me and fear do the police are gonna lock up. And she have to give Quentin. Come tell her say she all give people for attack me too. So anything or anything. When I leave my head back careless, savage. I'm gonna go. I want to push over. I'm gonna say push over there and bring you the fuck down. Trust and believe. I'm gonna go up on my page for say push and bring you down. Not even push more here to blood clot. You go for bring you the fuck down, man. You're an insect. You go for bring you the fuck down. Bring you down. You can't tell me for something, my mother. No day, no time. And I'm not looking at none of you lot. None of you lot, you comment. I'm getting off this fucking live. Nobody told me what to do. Nobody told me what to do. And nobody told me what to say. Because if I get myself in trouble, make me get myself in a trouble. Nobody not tell me what for blood clot upon my life. Make me want to do it. So make me know so me get myself in a trouble. Nobody not tell me what to do. Please. But when a hypocrite come upon my life and tell me what to do, I type up not upon my life. Because I don't know none of you lot. None of you lot. But don't say I picked them ugly and record it. I say I picked them fucking ugly. Fucking ugly. Fucking ugly. Fucking ugly. They're muggly, zugly, and zugly. Especially the last one. That my blood clot say. They're ugly motherfuckers. Get the fuck out of here. You can't class my blood clot, son. You crazy? You're fucking crazy. You can't class my blood clot 13-year-old son. He's fucking 13 years old. He's a big fucking guy. The fuck wrong with you, bitch? I'm a 13-year-old knowing blood clot sibling. You can't class my blood clot. You can't class me. I'm a baby father can't go too hard and class my mother. You're crazy. You're fucking crazy. Thinking can't go some blood clot and this up my mother. You know I would have fucking crazy. You're fucking crazy. Get your story right, girl. Not even. You type too much. You type too much, so I'm going to take you off on my page. You're typing too much. So I take you off my page. You're typing too fucking much. I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to mad. I'm supposed to mad. Well, you lot are madding over me. You lot are madding over me. I'm supposed to mad. I'm supposed to mad. But I picked them ugly. I'm not calling him. I don't need to call him. I don't need to call the woman blood clot name because the woman is not to me. But me, Ashana say I picked them ugly. Me, Ashana say I picked them ugly. And that's my right blood clot name. Think about footer eye baby mother Shana, but take off the T and put the A on it. Me, Ashana say her picked them muggly, zugly, ugly. I say it go and fuck off. I don't say that. And I'm going over fucking puss now. For make you go bring you the fuck down. Go suck your mother.